in the description box below. Number 4 is Sovol SV01 Pro 3D printer. In today's world of technology, where creativity knows no bounds, the Sovol SV01 Pro 3D printer emerges as the ultimate companion for clay cutters seeking limitless possibilities. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey of fun and excitement as you delve into three-dimensional artistry like never before. Prepare to be amazed by the SV01 Pro's ultra-silent motherboard, which operates with the stealth of a ninja, ensuring a serene and undisturbed printing experience. With its built-in 32-bit TMC2208 technology, this printer offers unrivaled stability and whisper-quiet performance, allowing your imagination to soar uninterrupted. Featuring an intelligent auto-leveling system, the CR touch sensor adds a touch of magic to your clay-cutting adventures. It effortlessly detects the height of your printing platform with unparalleled precision, guaranteeing picture-perfect results every time. Say goodbye to tedious adjustments and hello to hassle-free creativity. Printing with the SV01 Pro is a breeze thanks to its smooth and lightning-fast performance. Equipped with a self-designed Metal Direct Drive Extruder, this masterpiece delivers impeccable filament control, ensuring flawlessly smooth prints. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.